You are awesome. You are beautiful. You are smart. You are amazing. You do great things. You are beautiful. You are the light. You are charming. You are courageous. You are crafty. All those things you are. But guess what? You have to believe it for yourself, guys. Okay? You are who you say you are. Don't ever doubt who you are. I love you guys. Welcome to tea time, guys. Welcome to tea time. I am your host, Sonia. So, guys, thanks for tuning in for another episode of Tea Time. Guys, I'm going to read from Psalms 143. And this is the roadmap for your life. If you are confused, I'm going to read the roadmap for your life. So we're going to read Psalms 143, 7 down to verse 10. And guys, get your tea, get your juice, get your coffee, get your smoothie, get your whatever you want, water, your heart's desire, whatever you want, okay? Get whatever you want. And if I did not tell y'all today, I think I did say I love you. I love you and you are absolutely beautiful, okay? So guys, it goes as follows. Answer me quickly, O Lord. My spirit fails. Do not hide your face from me, or I will be like those who do go down to the pit. You don't want to go down to the pit, y'all. You don't want to go down to the pit, okay? Let's get a sip, okay? Let the morning bring my word of your unfailing love, for I have put my trust in you. Show me the way I should go. Show me the way that I should go, okay? For to you I lift up my soul. Rescue me from my enemies, O Lord, for I hide myself in you. Guys, I tell y'all all the time, put your trust, care, everything in here. Protection, he will hide you. He will shield you. He got you. He got you, okay? Let's keep going. Teach me to do your will, for you are my God. May your good spirit lead me on level ground. Did y'all hear me? Let your goodness, let your spirit lead you on level ground. Let him lead you on level ground, y'all. You cannot do it by yourself. This is his way for you, for your life, okay? This is the path that he has you on. So trust him, believe in him, let him guide you, let him lead you. This is the roadmap to your life. So for that, guys, we're going to take another sip. We're going to drink up. I will see you next time on another tea time. Y'all, I love you. You right here, I love you so much. Get you some tea. Guys, I will see you later, okay? Sit down.
Move it over.
Slide it over.
Move it over.
Okay. And hold it, right? Is it on there? It ain't on there tight.
It ain't gonna get tight. I gotta have something up under it. I gotta put something behind.
Hey guys! Happy Tuesday! Happy Tuesday, y'all. So anyway, we're gonna get into this video because I don't want it to be long, okay? Outfit of the day, guys. Okay, so we're gonna go outside really quick. please don't start video. Please don't start messing up here. Please, all this brightness and darkness, stop. So anyway, we're gonna do the kitchen, patio, and I'm gonna show y'all a DIY that you can do on your own. I think I showed y'all yesterday, but I'm gonna show y'all up close and personal. So see, every time I turn the camera around, y'all see these sticks right here? Let me unlock the door. All you gotta do is get you some lumber, have somebody cut it for you. I had Mark saw these and I spray painted them white. So we're gonna take these in the house and I'm gonna show y'all where I'm gonna put these. Hold the line, please. Y'all, it's so nice out here. It's like 70 something degrees, like 70, yeah. All right, y'all, we're gonna take these beautiful, y'all see these beautiful, wait a minute, what in the world? Okay, these beautiful cut logs. I had Mark cut these for me early this morning. So we're gonna take these. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do with them real quick. So this is what we're doing. We are finding a home for them, okay? We're gonna find a home. I'm gonna set y'all down. Sorry for the smoke detector because it's going off again. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna put y'all down here in a basket. And hopefully you guys can see from here. Okay, what's going on? All right. So anyways, we're gonna put these. Now you're too bright. We're gonna just take these, you guys. I'm gonna put as many I can in here, and then I'll add. I think this probably gonna only hold 2. No, maybe it might hold 3. So this one has 2 pieces here. So y'all look at that. Create your own decor pieces. Bring in some natural stuff. Look at that. How cute. How cute is that? Instead of all the puppets grass, look at that. Y'all look at that. Look how cute that is. Look at it. It's really cute. Yeah, I like that. I'll take a picture and throw it in afterwards. But we're gonna go ahead and head into the kitchen because I want to show you guys something. I came up with an idea. Let me turn this TV down. I came up with the idea that I think is a really good idea, and I'll be able to profit off of it, make my money back. So let me turn the TV down a little bit. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. So I have decided to put the TV right here. I am going to remove these and sell them so I can recoup my coins, and I'm gonna sell them on OfferUp. So yeah, that's what they'll be. They're beautiful, and I love the fact that they're real wood. Y'all, I really like these. I really do, but I need to put this TV right here because I'm thinking we got the eat sign right here. That's enough for in this space. We have the 2 signs that we put up here, and I think that is enough. So let me know what y'all think, but trust me, she's going to have it her way. So guys, we're gonna get into the sink situation and show you guys. Look at that. She ain't right, y'all. She's not right. Come on. Okay, we're gonna get into the sink situation so I can show y'all how she functions, where I'm gonna place everything. All right, guys, so this is the whole thing. So Mark, as you seen in the video, he put the thing on this morning. So I'm able now to take my lotion, put it here. Less stuff, y'all. Then I'm gonna go ahead and place this here. And then I'm gonna show y'all how she works. So this here, I'm gonna still keep these 2, but I'm actually gonna put this underneath here because I wanna be able to house my lavender Castile soap, and I'm gonna add my Myers dishwashing liquid. I'm gonna put this under here, and then I'll be able to put something else over here and get it out the way, okay? So we can do that. This is almost finished. So you guys know I keep my, hold on. I keep all this cleaning stuff here, everything natural. So I'm just gonna put this one right here, and it's easy to get to. So I'll just be able to pull this out like so, you know? So that's how that's going. And then once the vinegar is done, I'll just have 1 bottle of vinegar. So I just wanted to show you guys that. And sorry if you hear the dryer is letting me know that everything is dry because I had to wash the bedding. So hold the line, you guys. Continue to hold the line. So now, like I said, I can take these 2 bottles, place them right here, like that. And then I can put my tissue paper towel holder right here on this side. So guys, I like it. So let me bring you closer so you can see how it functions. So that's how it looks, guys. And then I'll show you how she works. So I'm probably going to end up putting some paper towel under there just in case, until I find me like a bamboo piece that I can put there. So I'm going to show you guys how she functions. So here you take it. Y'all look at that. Pull this down. And it does, oh my gosh, y'all, it's so clean. I feel so good. We let it dry for 2 days. Well, no, for a whole day. We didn't use it at all yesterday. So you do it like that. And then you can do it like that. You can change the settings by pushing this. Like that. Like that. And then you turn this knob. That's to turn it off. Turn it on. This is hot. This way is cold. Guys, I love her. She is absolutely amazing. So guys, that's how she looks. This is how the whole sink area looks now, guys. No congestion really. And we got, like I said, got able to put the soap here, 2 soaps there, and she's absolutely beautiful, y'all. Look at that. Clean to the brim. Let me turn the light down. And that's everything, y'all. So yeah. We're going to go ahead and get these lawn chairs outside and see how that goes. But for the meantime, guys, I'm going to keep this here, this tray. I think I'm going to keep it here. I'm not sure. So even if I didn't keep it here, it would look like this here, y'all. So that is absolutely beautiful to me. But I wanted to show you guys how this beautiful thing functions. And we like it. We really like it. Let me show y'all again. Turn the handle. You pull this down. It sprays like that, or you can do it like that. Put it back up in there. This is cold, this is hot, and this is off. So simple. And she has a beautiful sink area. Guys, so here are the chairs. They were absolutely beautiful. So we're going to take them outside. But I just wanted to show y'all what they look like. I'm going to take this stuff off of them. And this is one that had like the little dent in it. I probably can show it to you guys, but let's get this off so you can get an idea. Uh-oh, I didn't want to tear that tag off just in case. But this is the, if you're interested, this is the name of them. If you're interested, that's it right there. And that's what they look like. And then we're gonna go outside so we can see. And y'all, these pillows, I'm gonna throw in a clip. These pillows were originally $50 a piece. So yeah, let's hold the line, please. Let's get into it. Let's place these chairs where they belong. So there's one. Maybe I'll do it like this. This here. Place this here. One here. Like that, and then I'll take the other one. Oh my gosh, y'all, it's so pretty. Oh my God, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. So this is going to be basically the setup. Have the garden bin here where I'm going to have some of my garden stuff. And to be honest, y'all, I might put a table right here. I think that's what I'm going to do. Maybe I'll put a table here if I can find one for the low, and put that thing I showed you in the hallway right there. But for the most part, this is what they look like, y'all. I think that is so pretty. Hold on, y'all, I'm so excited. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is so, so cute, y'all. I think I'm gonna do me a thumbnail here. But guys, all we need is a little side table. Yeah. Yeah, and then I'm gonna have like 2 planters over here, 2 of those things. Probably one here and one there. So, yeah, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will see you in another one really, really soon. Let me know what y'all think about, like I said, the picture to put in the, take the pictures out of the kitchen and put the TV there. And because I already have like all those other pictures. So guys, I will see y'all tomorrow. Don't forget, love yourself so that you will love others and this world will be a much better place. Bye, y'all.